Mochi, who's going to St. Paul? Those that can overcome everything. Go! Good afternoon, little man in the box. We're going to go on a roll with our purebred Russell Terrier, and he has papers to prove it. Come on, Moch. Oh, you're excited to be outside. It's too hot to roll, right? Is that the problem? Moch, let's go. He has to see if anybody left any messages for him. Anybody leave any messages? Huh? Are you going to leave a message? Yeah. Come on, Moch. We stopped for the stop sign. Time to go. Warm days make somebody lazy. Yeah. Well, it seems that the mooch is not up for a run today. He's up for checking messages. So, I guess that's it.